My name is Cheryl Scroggins. I work for Public Health Dayton, Montgomery County. I'm the Community Coordinator of Health Equity for the local Office of Minority Health, which is the Dayton Council on Health Equity. The Dayton African American Culture Festival is all about sharing our cultural experiences, and we focus on art, education, and health awareness. This year, we're going to do something a little bit differently. We're going to have health presentations on the main stage. And so we're going to have some presenters. Some of those presenters will be the Alzheimer's Association, talking about Alzheimer's, which impacts so many people, and also what some of their programs and services are. We're also going to talk about infant mortality. As we know, infant mortality is an issue in the Black community because so many of our moms are not as healthy as they can be when they become pregnant. And so they have a difficult time carrying their baby full term and having a baby that has a healthy weight. So we're going to talk about infant mortality. We're also going to talk about some of the wonderful things happening at DeSoto Baths and Hilltop Homes and some of the other communities. So Greater Dayton Premier Management will be there talking about the Choice Neighborhood Grant. We also have someone coming from the Susan G. Komen Breast Cancer Institute to talk about breast cancer prevention. And we have Dr. Nera Vetla, who is a heart surgeon from Springfield Regional Health Center, coming to talk about heart health and chronic disease prevention. So we're real excited. This is straight talk about health so that we can actually open up and start talking about these really important things that are impacting people's lives. The Health Pavilion will be located in the big tent and next to the Willowwood Shelter. So we'll have a tent and a shelter, and the Health Pavilion will be open from noon until 4. It's right inside the main entrance off the main parking lot. Right up front, when you walk into the Culture Festival, you'll see the tent and the shelter just a little bit over to the left of the main entrance. Well, we're going to have health screenings this year by 3 partners. Premier Health, the Wright State School of Medicine medical students will be there with their physician providers, and also Kettering Health Network. And so people will be able to have their blood pressure checked, get their blood sugar checked. We're going to have Premier Health doing A1Cs, non-fasting cholesterol, HDL. They're going to also be doing blood glucose, and we are happy to be able to provide a number of free screenings. Help Me Grow is going to do a child development assessment, and Public Health is going to do a carbon monoxide breathalyzer test for smokers so they can know if their lungs have been impacted by the smoking. Every year but one, we've done a community health survey at the Dayton African American Culture Festival. People can voluntarily fill the form out. It's a community health survey that asks really general questions about your health. We're looking at food access. We're looking at tobacco usage. We're looking at whether or not the person has a doctor or not, if they have any pressing medical or dental needs, how far they live from a grocery store. The types of things we need to know to understand what's going on in the minority community. And so the surveys are available the day of the festival at the festival. They're not available online, but you can walk up into the Health Pavilion and come to the public health table for Dayton Council on Health Equity. That's my table, and the surveys are there. And anyone can fill one out. We're hoping that everyone will. Yes, we actually do a summary report from the surveys. They're sent to my program evaluator, who summarizes them into a report and returns them back to me. I share them back with the Dayton African American Culture Festival Board. It allows them to be able to look and see what exactly the people who filled the survey out have expressed. And then I can look and see also what the needs of the minority community are based on the input from the community directly. This year I'm really happy and excited that the festival is going to kick off early at 10 a.m. with a family Bike-A-Thon. And it's the Major Taylor Bike Club. And those riders are going to be there. People can come. They can ride their bikes. 10 a.m. is when the Bike-A-Thon starts. It's going to be over about 11:30, 12. And then we're going to go right into our opening ceremony. So we're hoping people will come out early for the Bike-A-Thon. And we're hoping that that'll go on every year. And then we'll go right into our opening ceremony. Every year we have a wonderful opening ceremony with our elders. And we're looking forward to our Black art, our African village, the Health Pavilion, the youth activities, the main stage, and also the Health Pavilion, the food vendors, the merchandise vendors. We're in a beautiful island park under the shade of the trees, and it's in a nice organic space. So we hope everyone will come out.